Gikundi kia atumia kia ngumbato ya Joywo kiambiriirio miaka 8 mithiru kiri na gakundi kanini ga atumia no mothi uyu gikundi kiu kiri na amemba 2,200,800. Atumia aria makoretwo thiini wa Joywo ni matariirie mawega maria marehanite na ngumbato iyo.
Asante Joywo kwa kunijengea nyumba, nimeshukuru.
On that day 7 years ago, at the fireplace in your home, when your dear wife asked if she could go ahead and start table banking, you may have had your doubts, but you agreed anyway. That decision has positively affected thousands of us here and back in the villages.
Akiamukira ngerenwa ya gukorwo anyitete itemi hari kugacirithia miturire ya atumia na makiria matura-ini, Rachael Ruto uria wambiriirie gikundi kiu kia Joywo ni anyitire woira wa atumia acio mukonde.
The testimonies are so great, Your Excellency. We have women that started with nothing and today they are millionaires.
Atongoria angi aria mekinyirie igongona-ini riri ni matugiirie mutumia wa munini wa president makiuga ni maguthi na mbere na kunyitanira na Joywo na makiria hari gukinyira mbeca iria igairwo atumia ni thirikari.
Kazi hii alianza mbele hata ajue ya kwamba atafika hapo. Kazi hii alianza wakati wengine walikuwa wanasema tutakuwa tunalala majela ya wengine.
I want to confirm that table banking makes ordinary women make extraordinary achievements.
Gwikinya mwaka wa 2021 Joywo itanyite gukorwo na amemba milioni 1. Oho ni gukurugurio mutaratara wa guthomithia atumia acio githomo gia kompyuta matura-ini niguo makahota gukinyirwo ni mohoro matiganite na ihenya thiini wa kaunti ciothe 47. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, getwo Karo Kinyugo Mwaura.